Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix lag issues in Pokemon Go for a smoother gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if lag persists. Step 2. Close background apps. Too many apps running in the background can slow down your device. Close unnecessary apps to free up resources for Pokemon Go. Step 3. Lower game graphics settings. Open Pokemon Go, tap the Pokeball icon and go to settings. Scroll down and disable advanced settings option like AR plus mode or Niantic social to reduce resource uses. Step 4. Clear cache. Go to settings, tap apps and app management. Find Pokemon Go, then storage, tap clear cache to remove temporary files that might cause lag. Step 5. Update Pokemon Go. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Pokemon Go and update it if needed. Updates often include performance improvements. Step 6. Restart your device. A quick restart can clear up temporary system slowdowns, improving game performance. Step 7. Free up storage space. Make sure your device has enough free storage. Delete unused apps or large files if your storage is almost full. Step 8. Check for device updates. Go to your phone settings and find software update option and install if any pending updates available. Outdated software can impact game performance. Bonus tip: use a cooling solution. If your phone overheats, it can cause lag. Avoid playing in direct sunlight and use a cooling pad if needed. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce lag in Pokemon Go and enjoy smoother gameplay. If this video guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pokemon Go tips and fixes.